Hello, my name is Casey and this is Holt Miniature Painting. In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble a plastic model. We'll be working on a Skink Starpriest from the Seraphon Army for Warhammer Age of Sigmar by Games Workshop. The model comes on a plastic frame, and we will be attaching them to a round base. We have some needle files and a hobby knife to clean up any mold lines or imperfections. Be gluing them together with Tamara extra thin plastic cement. The instructions are pretty simple. Be using a Citadel pair of clippers, or any clippers with a flat edge will work. You want to put the flat edge up against the piece that you are about to clip. Make sure that you are not clipping off any important details to the model. I like to hold the model in place while I clip it so I don't lose any important parts. Especially with the delicate pieces like the feathers here on the headdress. Just gently squeeze the clippers and clip them from the frame. Take your time. Make sure that you are not clipping any important parts. Here I'm using a hobby knife to clean off any mold lines or imperfections from the molding process. Just gently scrape away the pieces, make sure you don't remove any fine detail. You can also use a needle file. Here I am dry fitting the leg onto the body to make sure I know where the proper placement is. Just adding a little bit of the Tamara extra thin plastic cement. Hold the pieces together. Wait a few seconds. The plastic cement will actually melt the plastic and then dry and harden. It will be a nice strong bond. Here I am attaching the headdress. A nice thin layer of cement is all you need. Hold the pieces together. You have a little bit of time to make sure that you get the right placement. Here are all the parts cut out from the sprue, and you just go through piece by piece, cleaning up any of the mold lines and the gate marks from the sprue. The head here has a little divot in the body and a little like a pin or nub on the head, so this has proper placement on the body. Take your time. Here I am gluing the base with some super glue and using some Vallejo earth texture to add some gravel. Using a sculpting tool, working around the base. Here I'm adding some glue to attach the skink to the ruins. Here I've attached his staff and the ceremonial dagger on his belt. And he is all ready for priming and painting. Here is the completed model, all painted up and ready for battle on the tabletop. Thank you for watching. Hope this has helped you out in learning how to assemble a plastic model. Big thank you for your support, Benjamin Brosick. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, please consider supporting me through Patreon. Thank you and happy painting.